Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I've got my brushless converted Losi 5T out with me. And we're going to bash at this park here today. I got some ramps set up. We're going to be running on 8S of course. If you haven't seen this system, I'll pull the body off real quick and show it to you. So this is running a Hobbywing Max 5 ESC. It's running huge QS8 connectors, and that's mated to a Castle Creations 800 kV 2028 motor. So that's a huge motor. Basically, it's almost the size of a pop can. It's that big. It's a huge motor. The batteries I'm running are 9,000 milliamp, 130 C discharge rate, Power Hobby, 4-cell pack, so 8S total. And I actually put a different pinion on, so now we're running a 23 tooth pinion and whatever the stock spur gear is. So let me go ahead, get her hooked up, and we'll jump right in this video. Alrighty, let's power on. Got it hooked up to my Futaba 4 PLS transmitter. Alright, let me throw the body on. Let's try gradually jumping it. Let's just come up with a little bit of speed, not too much. What a machine. This thing's so much fun. We've yet to do a launch. Let's do a launch. Ready, get set, go. Those front tires are ballooning like crazy. Flyby. Awesome. Go out real quick while the road's clear. Let's do a flyby on the road. Alright guys, here we go for a flyby on the road. Take her down this way first. And here we go. Back in this direction, spin around. Make sure it's clear, and here we go. One more from that direction for good measure. Ready for another launch? 1, 2, 3, go! Uh-oh. Did the pinion come off or did we strip it? Something happened. Let's go investigate. Let's get the body off and see what happened. Looks like the motor slid, guys. I'll check, see if I have the right tools. Hopefully I do. Yeah, and the motor shaft is pushed right up against the mount. Yeah, it definitely did some damage to that pinion. It still might be usable though, but I'm gonna have to get that motor repositioned. I was able to do a little bit of adjusting. The pinion's not completely done, but it definitely rounded off the teeth quite a bit. But yeah, basically what happened is probably just, I don't know, it didn't happen when I was jumping though, it just happened when I was doing flybys. Something must have just jarred the motor and the motor shifted down, and then the actual shaft was resting right on the mount. So that's where a lot of the binding was coming from, but then in the process it kind of screwed up the pinion a little bit. But I got the gear mesh set. It's a little loose, but that might come loose again, that screw. That's the issue with this mount, there's only one screw holding it. For a motor this big, it really needs another type of mounting system, really. But let's get her turned back on and see if she's still able to keep on bashing. Let's try this out again. Yeah, the gears aren't quite, those teeth on that pinion are a little bit messed up, but we still should be able to run it. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I plan on having a lot more content with this machine because you guys seem to be loving the content with the Brushless Losi 5T. And I've used it more since I've converted over to electric, and the whole time I owned it when it was gas powered. So it's just so much more usable now that it's electric converted. All right, let's keep on going. Let's hit the ramp again. That might shift the motor though. Actually, let's do some flybys real quick. I do apologize, there's a guy mowing. Bring her back. That thing gets a move on. Ooh, did it do it again? Uh-oh, the motor might have shifted again, guys. Let's see if that's what happened, if the motor shifted. Yep, sure enough. The motor shifted and it's right up against. Gosh, those teeth are really starting to get messed up now. Ugh. What I need some red Loctite on that bolt. This bolt that's holding the motor, I need some red Loctite on it. But even with red Loctite, the thing I'm worried about is just on impacts. I don't even think, that didn't even happen from impacts from like jumping, just from like impacts when I'm going over like little whoop sections. It just makes the motor move downward. And then it messes up the gear mesh. I don't know, I might call it quits for today, guys. You can see how the teeth, I might need a new pinion too. The teeth aren't happy on this. Luckily the teeth are still looking all right on my spur gear. Pinion gear, not so much. I think this is a good place to stop. The battery's probably within a few minutes of hitting low voltage mode anyway, because we've been ripping pretty hard out here in the wide open. So perfect time to go ahead and wrap up this video. If you did enjoy it, hit that like button, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, and stay tuned for the next video. Later.